Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing YouTube app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, apps menu. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Now, in the search bar, type apps and wait for the suggestions to appear. Make sure you tap the correct option listed under home screen, or it may show under display depending on your phone model or software version. Avoid suggestions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or auto restart. Step 4. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Tap the search bar again at the top of this page. Step 5. Now type YouTube into the search bar. If it's missing from your app drawer, there's a good chance it's just disabled, not deleted. Step 6. For the last and most important step, if the YouTube app shows up in the list but is disabled, tap on it. You'll be taken to the app's info page. Look for the Enable button and tap it. This will reactivate the YouTube app, and it should now reappear in your apps drawer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.